TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine has redefined efficiency and precision in industries like natural gas, food and beverage production, pharmaceuticals, clean pipeline systems, nuclear power, and electronics manufacturing. Let's focus on its benefits in clean pipeline welding. Clean pipelines, critical in industries like pharmaceuticals and semiconductor manufacturing, require welds free from contaminants. The TATE welding machine produces ultra-smooth, hygienic welds, ensuring pipelines meet stringent cleanliness standards for transporting sensitive materials or gases. With its automated orbital technology, this machine eliminates imperfections, enhancing both pipeline durability and product quality, supporting materials like stainless steel and titanium alloys. The TATE machine is the ultimate solution for cleanroom environments and sterile production lines. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering flexible OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact info@oaktate.com to learn more about how our technology can elevate your operations.